Melo here. Hopefully we reach my birthday goal. I know we've been a little bit stagnant. I know I should probably do different content, but I haven't had the availability or the computer resources. Every time I try something else, it seems to freak out. But please enjoy. Today we're doing Cascadas every time we touch. Yeah, so let's begin. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you feel my heart beat so I can't let you go? Want you in my life. Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so I can't let you go? Want you in my life. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Thank you everyone for listening. Please do the YouTube stuff. Please like, subscribe, follow, share. Trying to reach my birthday goal of 50 subs. Please help out. Alright, mellow out.